Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Sultan Jauhari, and in this time I will explain about Aloha. So, Aloha is one of the type of random access. And what is random access? Random access is used in communication network to regulate how device share access to transmission media on an unscheduled basis. In this method, any device in the network can send data at any time without prior coordination. So there is a possibility of a collision. And Aloha was developed at the University of Hawaii in 1970 to connect computers between islands using radio communication. This protocol was one of the first media access protocol, and this tree is the main concept of Aloha. Aloha is node can send data at any time without coordination. If two nodes send data at the same time, a collision occurs. In the event of a collision, the node will repeat the delivery after a random time. So there is a type of Aloha, pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. In pure Aloha, basic principle just same like Aloha, and transmission and collision mechanism. In pure Aloha, in the event of a collision, the node will wait for a random time before attempting to resend. If no CK is received, the node assumes the frame is corrupted and repeats the delivery after a random time. If the resend failed continuously, the node eventually give up. So in the pure Aloha, the maximum efficiency is 80.4%. In slot Aloha, the basic principle is the time is divided into fixed time slots for frame delivery. Nodes can only send at the beginning of the time slot to reduce collision. If a node misses the start of the slot, it will have to wait for the next slot. Transmission and collision in slot Aloha is each node should only send at the beginning of the time slot. Collision can still occur, but only if two nodes send in the same slot. The central clock sets the clock time and notifies the node about the start of the slot. The efficiency slot Aloha, the maximum is 36.8%. So we can see here in the pure Aloha, there is no special period or the slot to transmit the frame. But in slot Aloha, there is a special of the period to send the frame. In pure Aloha, there is two types of collision, complete collision and partial collision. And in slot Aloha, it's just complete collision because of the period to transmit the frame. It's just a conversion of the Aloha and slot Aloha. So the advantage and disadvantage of Aloha protocol. The advantage is easy to apply, no central station required, can send data at any time, and flexible. And the disadvantage is high collision rate, low channel utilization, low throughput as the number of nodes increase, and high delay. And the application of Aloha in modern technology. Number 1 is Ethernet, number 2 is Wi-Fi, This number one is, and number two is the result of the development of Aloha. So, and number three is RFID. RFID use the slot Aloha principle in communication between the tag and the reader. And number four is satellite communication. The satellite use Pro Aloha and slot Aloha in data transmission between users. And the conclusion is the advantage of Aloha is simplicity and flexibility in data transmission, but it has the disadvantage of high collision rates and low efficiency. The concept of Aloha remains relevant in modern technology such as satellite communication, wireless network, and other media access protocol. Slot Aloha improve efficiency by limiting delivery time to the beginning of the slot, but requires synchronization between nodes. So this is the explanation of Aloha. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.